Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Weex. And for this we go here to sign up and then fill in your email address. So I will do my email address right here. And then from here we click here on claim your rewards. I'm not a robot. Then fill in here the 6 digits that they sent to your email. Then we do next, and then we set up right here a password. So please make sure that you do a strong password. And then we do next. Save. Right now, if you can see, we just created our own Weex account and now we can start trading. So this is the first step, creating your own account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.